Good morning, friends. Welcome to this session. In the previous session, we have learned about events, vital events. Vital means important, vital statistics, and demography. Demography is the science that studies human population. Death and birth are two important events in the human life that we have discussed in previous session. Birth brings happiness in a family, while death pushes a family into difficulty and sorrow. Friends, can you make a list of vital events in a human life? I have prepared one such list which includes sickness, migration, marriage, and divorce. Friends, do you believe sickness affects on a human life? Do you think cancer, AIDS, HIV, and other diseases are affecting on a person and a family as a whole? Yes, sickness affecting human life. It reduces savings, impacts social status, and brings person or family in a difficult situation. Therefore, sickness is vital event. And what about marriage? It is the state of being husband and wife. It is the entry of a person in one's life. People are saying marriages are made in heaven. What it means? It simply means that it is a vital event. And what about divorce? It is an exit of a person in one's life. Do you think these are important events in human life? Yes, of course, these events are important and which also affects on social structure and fabric of a country. Now, what about migration? Human migration is the movement of people from one place to another with the intentions of settling permanently or temporarily at a new location. People may migrate as individuals, in family units, or in large groups. You might have seen the people from North India are migrated to Maharashtra for work purpose. Today, they went to their home places due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Indians are migrated to Canada, USA for business purpose, and people from other parts of world are also resided in India. So friends, there are two basic types of migration. One, immigration. It means movement of people to a destination place of which they are not natives or possess any citizenship. Suppose I am going to Karnataka for work purpose and stayed there, which is not my native. It is called immigration. Second, emigration. It is the act of leaving a resident country or place of residence with the intent to settle elsewhere. So here intent is very important in emigration. Conversely, immigration describes the movement of people into one country from another. Hence, one might emigrate from one's native country to immigrate to another country. Both are acts of migration across national or other geographical boundaries. So, friends, demography deals with all these aspects of human population. So my request to you is prepare a list of such vital events of a human life so that we will discuss these in next session. You may have one more question in your mind. What is the need of vital statistics? You may have come across the situations where you need birth certificate, death certificate, domicile certificate for your admission purpose or for your private work purpose, that is claiming a property on your family name. In India, registration of birth and death is mandatory because of the importance of these events for the nation and also for its citizen. So friends, we will discuss these point of need of vital statistics in next session. And again, in next session, I am providing you the class code of my Google Classroom. So please enter as a student by using that class code so that you can join my classroom where I am sharing resource material, list of textbooks and list of reference books. So therefore you are requested to use my class code which I am sharing in the next session. Thank you. Thank you.